Hey guys, today I'm going to be I'm just going to be playing with some new like eye products, I guess. I have to try out the Colourpop Blush Crush palette, and then I also have the Kimchi Diamond Shards that I want to play with, and also the P. Crisp Finish base or paint or whatever. So yeah, they're all like pink, and I thought this would be a good time to do a pink look and play with some of these new products. So first I'm just going to quickly prime my eyes with the P. base in Rumor 01. Okay, so this is the Colourpop Blush Crush palette. It's so cute. It's cardboard and like is it like embossed or whatever? Like this is a little bit raised. It's so cute. And this is how the actual palette looks here. It's so pretty. So today we're just gonna play with it. I think I'm gonna start with the shade called Made You Blush, I think, which is like the pink in the center. It's like quite a light pink, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with that, and I'm gonna use that to kind of I don't know, everywhere, I guess. Alright, so we're taking Made You Blush first, and we're putting that like, I'm gonna put that right near the brow kind of, because this is gonna be like the lightest color in the eye look. So I'll probably just put it up there and kind of leave it there. I'm filming my announcement video today, so if you want to know what I've been planning and what is about to come, then you should keep an eye out for that video. It won't be up until later this week, but it's coming, and I think you guys are going to be really excited, so I hope anyway. Okay. Next, I'm going to go for the Cheek to Cheek shade, which is just like a little bit darker, like a pink. I'm going to put that just a little bit further down. It's going to be like a pretty basic eye look, and then we're going to add all the nice like decorations, I guess, on top. I'm waiting on a few parcels. I'm mainly waiting for Morphe ones. I did a Kylie order because I want to do like trying Kylie, like not trying because I've already tried it before, but like, you know, trying it because I got rid of like most of my Kylie stuff like a good couple of years ago now. But yeah, I'm excited to try it out again. But yeah, I'm waiting on that, and then I'm waiting on a couple of Morphe orders. I think that's all at the moment. Oh, I'm waiting on my Lush stuff, my Lush Halloween stuff. I'm so excited for that. Every year Lush releases stuff around like Halloween, Easter, Christmas, Valentine's Day, and they're just so like such good collections. So I'm waiting on that as well. I just want to see what else. I'm waiting on a Bath and Body Works order as well, and I'm also waiting on a Sephora order. So those are all my orders at the moment. I'm excited. Okay, next I'm going to take the shade called How Rogue, and it's like a very nice mauvey kind of colour. It's a little bit darker. And I'm just going to put this one through the crease and in the outer corner. I feel like this is going to look so nice with the P. base. Like, oh, I'm so excited. And I also am trying out the P. brush today, but I'll get to that in a minute. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm burning a new candle today. It's Georgia Peach from Bath and Body Works. It smells so nice. It smells like peach iced tea kind of. It's really nice. Alright. Just gonna get all the pigment off my brush now, and then we're gonna blend it. I really want to get my nails done again soon. This is them at the moment. I've got like baby blue with butterflies, and they're so cute. But I really want to get I want to get some Halloween nails, but I kind of want to get a set before that as well. So they're just getting kind of close, I feel like. So I don't know what to do. All right, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm going to cut my crease, and then we're gonna try out the P. Crisp finish. Okay, so I just cut my crease and now we're going to try out the P. Louise Crisp finish. This one is in the shade Extra Spicy, and you can get these come in like a little package deal, so you get the little base and then you also get a brush. I think there's 5 different shades and I really want all of them, but at the moment I can't afford that. I'm saving my money for something else, but I'll just quickly tell you kind of like what other shades they have. So there's the light pink one, which is called Extra Spicy. There's the Sexy Chili, which is like a kind of like aqua color. There's Tangy Teas, which is like a kind of peachy shade. There's Salty AF, which is like a kind of like a deep baby blue. I know that doesn't really make sense, but you know what I mean. And then there's one called Crisp Finish, which is like a brown. So yeah, I really want to get all of them, or at least more of them soon. But today we have a Crisp Finish and I'm so excited to try out this brush. This is the 7072 Water Treat my base brush is. It's really cute. Oh my god, I almost just like put the whole thing out. The like Mitchell one is like really kind of like hard to get out. So I was expecting this to be the same. Oh god. Anyway, let's go. Okay. It's such a pretty shade. I don't know what I think of the brush. I feel like it's not dense enough for what I want it for. Like, it's a little bit hard to get a super precise line because it's so kind of like flimsy compared to the other brushes that I normally use. They're quite dense. I love the shape of it and it applies the base like really nicely. But it's just this like trying to get this part affected, I guess. Maybe it's just something that I would have to get used to. It's like the perfect shape. It's like such a great shape. I just wish it was a little bit denser. But yeah, it blends the base really nicely. It applies it really nicely. I just need to get used to how kind of, I don't want to say like, I feel like flimsy sounds so negative, if you know what I mean. Whereas it's not meant to be like negative, it's just not as dense. It's not necessarily a bad thing. It's just like what it is, you know? Alright, cool. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump back into the Blush Crush palette and take the How Rogue shade and use that to blend the corner of this. Okay, I'm just going to put a shimmer over the top now. So I'm pretty sure it's a Super Shock shadow and it's called Pop a Bottle, and it's like this really pretty, it's kind of like a white, no, like a, I don't know, it's like a duochrome. But anyway, I'm gonna put that over the top. I feel like it's gonna look really pretty with the base underneath. Can't remember if I said, but this shade is called Pop a Bottle. Cool. Alright, and now the last thing we're going to do is try out the Kimchi Diamond Shards. This one is in Striker Pose and it's this really pretty like pink with like little silver glitters through it. So let's do it. Okay, I feel like that's really cute. I feel like they're kind of a bit more glittery. I mean, shimmery maybe, rather than like glittery, like rather than like a Stila Glitter and Glow. The glitter is a little bit finer rather than chunkier, but I still think it looks really cute. So I'm gonna give you guys like a close up of my eye at the moment. I feel like it looks quite sweet. I would love to do red liner, but I don't know if it would go with this look. I don't know why, I just feel like I have a Colourpop liner to try out and it's red. I just don't know if it would go. That's the Colourpop eyeliner in Try Me. You think it would go? Maybe it would. I don't know. I kind of want to try it. It's really pretty. But I'm also worried it's gonna like ruin it. I feel like I need to wait for this diamond shark thing to finish, to dry first. So I'm gonna go off camera, let this dry, and then I'll come back. We can try the liner as well. Okay, so I feel like this is dried now. I'm so nervous to do this liner, but I feel like it might look cute, I reckon. I feel like that does, that looks cute. Struggling a little bit over like the glitter and stuff, but I feel like that's kind of normal. Even my black liners do that, and this is like a coloured one, so I feel like it's to be expected. Okay, I think that looks really cute. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and everything, and then I will be back. I'll show you the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look, but I have to say I'm really disappointed right at the moment. Anyway, this is the Colourpop Luxe Gloss in the shade Just Cuddle, and like the thing is in there. So if I want to use it now, I have to get tweezers to take it out, which I just think is like such a pain. I've never had that happen with any of my lip products, so I'm a bit disappointed. But anyway, this is the finished look. I'm just going to zoom in and show you the finished eye look. I do really like it. Yeah, I really love everything I tried. I think it looks really pretty. They all performed really well. So yeah, I have like nothing bad to say. If you guys have tried out any of these products, let me know. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!